Hello, Toasty Mazel. This will be my favorite Tad Beautiful we're doing. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this over with. Well, how you doing the 4th of July? Nothing much on subscribe. Wait, July 5th. No, today's July 6th. Wow, time goes fast. How you guys doing the I forgot to tell you this the beautiful. What are we saying? You had so I had JB Blue. No, not one. I had JB Big Wet EDC hit Austin. I had JB Big Wet EDC hit Austin. I had Blue Collar Survival or the sale guide. Me the sale guide. I could tell him like a Great Wall. With another meet him sale guide. What the other one? I had Nick from Nick the Band channel. I had Nick from Nick the Band in Austin. Well, that's about it. Got a free guy with Tad. JB from Big Wet EC, Blue Cover Survival, and Nick the Band. They are awesome. Awesome YouTuber. Well, that's how about American Made Line. We got 4 American Made Lines. Wait there. Robot, Michael, and Kate Knight. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Here. Well, that is my short video. So, how do you like the video? before I go, Tad again. Tad JB from Big Red EC, Blue Cover Survival, Sale Guide, Mr. Bad. Well, yeah. Day, night, my friends. Thanks for watching.